of journey. Come, rejuvenate your soul. As Zarwani Ecotourism is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. A part of the Shulpaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, Zarwani Ecotourism offers a perfect vacation break in between the lap of nature. Do plenty of activities of adventure, from wall climbing to rappelling, two-way zip lining to free jumps, high road structure with continuous belay systems keeps the activities absolutely safe and secure. Rejoicing waterfalls, wondrous whirlpools enthrall you from within. Go, live up to your inner instincts. Heal yourself with herbal spa. Experience the beauty of nature. Appreciate the natural habitats. Come, rejuvenate your soul. As Zarwani Ecotourism is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.